Yes, hello. This is Charles. Today I have a MacBook Air 1466, and this one has got a problem. When you turn it on, it turns on. You see the logo inside, but you don't see the light. So let me power it up now. You can hear the chime. I think you can even see the logo inside here. The caps lock lights up, but the screen light does not show up. So I already diagnosed this motherboard, and I found out there was a chip that controls the backlight that has a problem. However, by the time when I diagnosed this one, I didn't have the chip. So I ordered for the chips, and I've got them. I actually received them yesterday. So I've started up this video so that we can replace this chip together and see if this MacBook can be able to turn on. So I'm going to disassemble, and then you can replace the chip. So the back cover is off. So the motherboard is out. So when you check in the schematics of this laptop, you can see that the chip that makes the backlight is this one. And you can see the screen connector is nearby here. So I already diagnosed this. You can see I actually did some soldering here to check the outputs. So we are going to take one of this chip and replace it here. So let's first take it off. Pin 1 is here at the top. Let's apply flux. So the chip is out. So you can see there is no merging of the solders. I think that line is initially connected. You can see from the top, this line here, yeah, it's initially connected from up to down. Now let's position it. Remember the pin 1 was at the top, and you can see by this marker, pin 1 is meant to be here. I'm going to hold it in position, and you first wait for at least one pin of it to be soldered without paste. Then after one pin is soldered, I will reflow it with paste and make it move into position. So you can see it has held now. So then you are going to apply the paste. So it is soldered well. So let's wait for it to cool down, then we clean up. So you can see the solder points at the bottom here. So let's put it back in the housing and test. So let's connect the screen connector. So let me attach the fan. So I have finished attaching most of the stuff. Let me connect the battery. So let me connect the charger. Yeah, green light. It's charging, it's orange. So let's press the power button. Well, it has turned on by itself, and you can see we have in the backlight. Can you see now? You can clearly see the logo, and we even have a backlight of the keyboard, and the battery is charging at 1%. However, the touchpad is not working. So yeah, it says there is no keyboard connected, so I think I have to reattach the keyboard, and I think that explains why the touchpad is not working. However, you can see we have been able to fix and solve the backlight issue of this MacBook. At this point, I'll just reattach the keyboard and assemble all the missing parts, and I'll just call the customer to pick up. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment. And if you think there is someone who can find this video useful, you can share it. Until then, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.